Okay, currently 1:51 a.m. GMT 7, March 21st, 2024, Thursday, FOMC. This is the mitigation, 1 hour. 1 hour mitigation block, limit equal lows, 4 hour breaker, 4 hour mitigation. My draw is here, which price already take at news. We took this old high. My bias was bullish because price took all this sell side liquidity into this daily liquidity void while inside this weekly order block. While inside the weekly order block. And price went here expecting the median threshold weekly, so everything is bullish. News should be bearish, but since it's expected, we have a good sentiment for bullishness. Just like Nicholas said about expectation. Okay, now that we took that daily old high, if we are retracing, then I would probably see this 1 hour mitigation, or from that daily old high. Next target would be the rejection block. Now I would expect some discount. So I want to see at least price go into this breaker, because we just took an old high, a daily old high. The only thing here that can support this move would be this breaker, 4 hour breaker. Then price could take this equal low as well. Look at that displacement, because news should be bearish, right? Oh yeah, wait. So I originally took and set my stop loss here somewhere, because price took my stop loss, yeah, created equal lows. But I took this here because we had SMT with ES, therefore I don't like this low. But price ended up make a new SMT, higher low, lower low. We took sell side already. Also now we make equal lows. Price looks like it wants to go sell side now. In the 1 minute chart inducement short. Keep in mind we're still in this busy. That is also a breaker. This doesn't look bearish at all. I think we will just continue higher. Probably targeting this weekly rejection block. Yeah, looks very bullish. We are in a 4-hour mitigation block. Mean threshold, which is this daily old high. If price retraces below this 4-hour mitigation, we're using it. So if I do this, I can take my short. Only if it does that though. Yes, took buy side liquidity, equal highs, ran. Massive displacement, which doesn't look like a liquidity grab because we have a breaker, a unicorn here. Now that we're pushing higher off this weekly is bullish. As the daily showing bullishness. Well, we have this being respected, which is a daily discount inside this impulse zone. So okay, let's say daily is also bullish. Weekly is bullish, daily is bullish. I don't have a daily level though, so I'll go check the 4-hour level. We have this breaker and price respects it. Price respect the breaker, 4-hour breaker. For bullish is the impulse swing, discount array, price respect. So weekly, daily, 4-hour is bullish now. You can expect price going to 4-hour premiums like this mitigation, this daily over high, filling this fair value gap mitigation. Eventually taking this intermediate term high and this too. We have a tiny liquidity void. Which price could reach, which is on the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours bullish, so I want to see this impulse within this impulse swing, a discount array which I could use to push price into other 4-hour PD array, like this high right here, or this order block breaker. This will be our next draw. Bullish, bearish breaker. Will be our draw. Just this 4-hour breaker, because weekly and daily is bullish. Price respected the weekly discount and respected the daily discount. In the daily we took old lows, old equal lows into a liquidity void. And on the weekly we are trading and respecting this weekly mean threshold in this order block, weekly order block. So we have weekly and daily in line, and now we have 4-hour in line. So 3 time frames are now in line. Now I only want to see bullishness, so we remove this. We are only following the order flow. Within this impulse swing, we only have this order block or mitigation. I'm going to remove this one because we don't need it. Just do OB easier. That's the 4-hour OB, 4-hour breaker. This is also a breaker. Two breakers. Discount array. We don't have anything in daily. In 4-hour we have this. Price is reaching into the CB. Liquidity void. Should see price eventually taking out this 4-hour breaker or this swing high. And eventually the weekly rejection block. But that is until later. Recently, original accumulation. Price went down here, supported by the weekly and the daily. Weekly and daily discount array SMR. So now order flow is bullish to take out this high, original consolidation within this breaker. This is high probability doing that. Why? Because let me see if I can find the drawing. Is it this one? No. I want to make a curve. Oh, I like that. Let me see if I can find a better one. You have a circle, curve. There we go. Consolidation. SFR. This is sell side. Man, that drive, man, that looks good. Yep, we're ripping through price. A strong impulse discount rate is even stronger when you have a premium overlaying with it. So this 4-hour OB is in line with this inverse. See that? This becomes strong. With that OB, this is 4-hour inverse within the 4-hour order block. Oh, I like that one. that this here is an opportunity for buy, but I didn't catch it because this was on 2:30, which is still news. Fed press conference. Look at how price respects that, even on news. Going straight to draw on liquidity. Where's my setup here? Obviously, my true setup would be for price to take this short-term liquidity into this fair value gap or breaker, then push price higher. But in fact, it only take this low because time. I wanted time to do this, right? But it didn't do that. It just straight pushed up. Then need to take more liquidity. So we don't have a setup, but we predicted price here. Just buy the weekly stuff. Okay. So what's my plan for tomorrow, Thursday? I think price will consolidate really. We have this Monday low of the week, Tuesday low of the week. Here's Wednesday. Something like that. Yes, at this equal high. That's why I was anticipating this mitigation block here to hold price, and which it did. But since we are before news, I didn't want to trade for a long because price could easily take this sell side liquidity as inducement before going higher. No trades today, no setup. Looks beautiful though. This is a major SMT as well of ES. Continuation model to the upside. Thinking of this rejection block next. Continuation model is taking sell side liquidity into higher time frame PD array, then taking buy side Persian invert. Expecting this high to be rate, at least for now. This is the original consolidation, but I'm gonna use this one as original consolidation because this is the 4-hour breaker where we could expect some resistance. Once we get that, once we've taken that out, our original consolidation will be here, which is the weekly rejection block. Notice how this daily rejection block is holding price to the pip right there. Really, because this SMR, those institution who bought here, is powered by the weekly and daily move. So really the only thing that can resist is probably the daily levels or 4-hour level. Okay, Thursday will be here. So I think price will consolidate, so I don't need to watch it. But I need to draw is upside. So Thursday, you want to see price going here, then up. Can watch Thursday. That's all. Bye bye. See you Thursday, tomorrow.